I found myself again in the light I was missing then. Every piece that I let go brought me back to who I know. Right here, I found myself again. Took a walk with nowhere to go. Let the silence take control. All the weight I used to hold felt so small out in the open. And for the first time I felt all